All right. Swinging in a blizzard. You gonna jump? You gonna jump?
Once I get high.
Okay. Oh, it's still snowing sideways. Ah! So this is the blizzard of 2015. That's a 4-foot fence that surrounds our property. Buried.
Kind of cool.
It's still snowing.
Oh.
No snowballs at my camera, please. This is a monkey in the snow. Jack, what do you think about snow days? Yeah, what? Are they good, bad?
Awesome.
Awesome. Why? What do you think about blizzards? You like them? Awesome. It's kind of cold. Do you think we should go in?
No.
No? What do you want to do?
Walk around.
All right, I'm going to take video of you walking through the snow. Wow. Do you remember when we measured with the tape measure how high 2 feet was and it was to your waist?
Yeah.
I think we're there. I think we got that much snow. What do you think? Yep, it's still snowing, and it's quite cold and windy. There's our house. You can see the drifts.
What?
Drifts on the house.
I don't know.
Yeah, well, I'm telling the people who might see our video. Swinging is a little harder with over 2 feet of snow on the ground. But Jack's making do.
I'm trying.
Okay. It's not working.
No, it's going
Okay, there you go. You're up. Oh, you're down. All right, happy blizzard, everybody.